Our journey begins with the analysis of two towering figures in the genre, Agatha Christie and Raymond Chandler. Christie, known for her fastidious attention to detail, constructs her characters with almost scientific precision. Every character trait is clearly delineated, every physical feature vividly drawn, and every motivation lucidly explicated. This approach gives the readers a godlike view into the psyche of the characters, offering them an elaborate puzzle to solve. Chandler, contrastingly, uses a more abstract approach. His descriptions are broad, atmospheric, and suffuse with a certain moodiness. Chandler seems less interested in detailing the physicality of his characters and more invested in immersing his readers into the psychosocial landscapes they inhabit. This comparison serves as an entry point to the versatility and depth that crime fiction has achieved, showcasing how different narrative styles can lead to equally engaging but fundamentally distinct reader experiences. In Chapter 2, we delve into the societal representation embedded within the crime narratives. The examination starts with Joseph Anson's works, which present a predominantly male narrative space, reflecting the genre's early tendency to equate crime solving with masculinity. However, this perspective is challenged and expanded when we move to Dick Francis' narratives, which weave together themes of homosexuality and homophobia. Francis' work signals a departure from the conventionally safe topics, demonstrating the genre's ability to grapple with complex societal issues. Our exploration of societal representation further deepens as we analyze the genre's increasing acceptance of feminist perspectives and lesbian characters. We investigate how female characters in crime fiction have evolved from being mere damsels in distress to embody the roles of powerful detectives, savvy criminals, and complicated victims. This evolution not only indicates the genre's willingness to adapt to societal progressions, but also emphasizes its potential as a tool for societal commentary and critique. Chapter 3 investigates the changes in narrative structures and themes in crime fiction. We study the emergence of lesbian detectives as an example of the genre's progression and its resonance with the broader social acceptance of diverse sexual orientations. Next, we delve into the disturbing mindscapes of serial killers, exploring their fascination with violence. This deep dive into the minds of the genre's most notorious villains reveals the genre's commitment to creating complex, layered characters and underscores its ability to provoke thoughts and conversation around societal perceptions of violence and morality. Finally, we examine the evolution of the detective figure, the heart of any crime narrative. We chart the progression from the near superhuman, infallible figures of the genre's early years to more nuanced, relatable characters. This transition signifies the genre's shift towards a more realistic, humanized portrayal of detectives, reflecting the multifaceted nature of the real-world individuals. To conclude, this thesis provides a comprehensive exploration of 20th century's crime fiction. By examining it from the perspective of narrative techniques, societal representation, and evolving story structures, we uncover the richness and complexity of the genre. Furthermore, we reveal how crime fiction serves not just as entertaining diversion, but as a mirror reflecting the societal shifts and progression of the 20th century.